my name is Van Willard. I'm with MarineMax up in Louisville, Texas. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Cruiser 210 manufactured by Harris Corporation. This is a great boat here. This one is the 210 that has the bow seats up here that are wide and very comfortable. Down here we have our in-floor storage. If you look at this storage area, it is extremely deep inside, so you can put a lot of gear in there. A lot of boats this size will not have the storage locker. Up here we have the console, which basically is a SIMRAD GPS system. Also JL audio, which is an upgrade. You usually don't find that in pontoons. That's very, very unusual. And then of course we put a mirror on here, which is great to have to watch your kids and all on tubes. Over here, this is very popular, this pop-up table. Take this, pull it up, put your sandwiches and gear here, and your drinks over here. As we walk towards the back of the boat, L-shaped lounger. This lifts up and will lay where you can face the rear of the boat, and then you can lay down completely in the back. A lot of area here, a lot of good storage under the seats, so it gives you a lot of great storage. Ski tow bar, fender holders. You usually don't see this on pontoons. And then also this is powered with a 150 horsepower Mercury motor. Stainless steel tow bar, very nice. Thank you for visiting with us today. Again, this is the Harris 210. It's located at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas.